Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you some easy ways to fix CS2 crashing after an update. You don't need to download any random DLL files or third-party fixers. Make sure to watch the full video and follow each step. First, open Steam. Go to your library and find Counter-Strike 2. Right-click CS2 and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check your CS2 files and replace any files that are missing or corrupted. This can fix crashes caused by damaged game files. Once the verification is complete, try launching CS2 again. If CS2 is still crashing, the next step is to clear the shader cache. Close CS2. Press Windows plus R. Type %localapp and press Enter. If you're using an AMD GPU, find the AMD folder. Delete the contents of DX cache, GL cache, and VK cache. These are cached graphics files that can become outdated or corrupted after an update. Leave the CL cache file as it is. Now try launching CS2 again. If you're still experiencing crashes, check for a newer graphics driver for your GPU. Download the driver from your GPU manufacturer's official website. Install the latest compatible driver and restart your PC. You should also temporarily disable overlays that can interfere with CS2. This includes overlays from apps such as Discord, Steam, and your GPU software. If you don't know where to disable these overlays, let us know in the comments and we'll guide you. After disabling them, launch CS2 again and check if the crashing has stopped. If none of these methods work, you can try reinstalling CS2 as a final step. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes the crashing after the update. If you're still getting an error, let us know in the comments and we'll try to guide you. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more CS2 fixes. Thanks for watching.